there. This is the nature center. We love it here.
I like it here because I can hide in the leaves. I like it here because I get fed every day. I like it here because it gets warm. We can get plenty of work done here without being disturbed. That's why we like it here.
I like it here because it's green, wet, and moist.
I like it here because they feed me crickets.
Rabbit. Rabbit.
Because we are family.